watching these powerful moments of wolves moving silently through the forest, you might think they are nothing more than dangerous predators, creatures built only for hunting and survival. But the truth is much deeper than that. Wolves are not just hunters. They are thinkers. They are planners. They are communicators. And above all, they are family. Deep within the cold forests of the north, across frozen tundras, through mountains and valleys where survival is never guaranteed, lives one of the most intelligent and organized animals on Earth. The wolf, a creature that does not rely only on strength, but on unity. Wolves are found across many parts of the world, from the vast wilderness of North America to the forests of Europe and the remote regions of Asia. They live in places where many other animals struggle to survive. Harsh winters, deep snow, limited food, yet wolves adapt. They are built for endurance. Their thick fur protects them from extreme cold. Their powerful legs allow them to travel long distances, and their sharp senses, especially their hearing and sense of smell, make them exceptional hunters. But a wolf alone, no matter how strong, is not what makes this species special. What truly defines a wolf is the pack. A wolf pack is not just a group, it is a family. At the center of this family are the leaders, known as the alpha male and the alpha female. These two are not just dominant individuals, they are the parents of the group. They guide the pack, they make decisions, and they ensure the survival of every member. Around them are their offspring, young wolves of different ages, each learning and growing within the safety of the group. Every member has a role. Some are experienced hunters, some are protectors, some help care for the young. There is structure, there is discipline, and there is balance. Wolves communicate constantly, not always with sound, but with movement, posture, and subtle signals. A lowered head can show respect. A raised tail can signal confidence. Even the way a wolf looks at another can carry meaning. And then there is the howl, a long, haunting sound that travels for miles through the wilderness. To many, it sounds like something mysterious, even frightening. But for wolves, it is a language. It is how they locate each other. It is how they warn rival packs. It is how they strengthen their bond as a family. When a pack howls together, it is not chaos. It is unity. But the true power of wolves is revealed when they hunt. Unlike many predators that rely on speed or surprise, wolves rely on strategy. A hunt does not begin with a chase. It begins with observation. Wolves study their surroundings. They track their prey carefully, sometimes for hours, sometimes for days. They watch for weakness, an injured animal, a tired one, a young one separated from the group. They are patient. When the moment is right, they move. The pack spreads out, each member taking position. Some move behind the prey, others move to the sides. They begin to control the direction of escape, slowly guiding the target into a vulnerable position. Then the chase begins. It is fast, it is intense, but it is not random. Every movement has purpose. The prey runs, trying to escape, but the wolves work together. If one gets tired, another takes over. They do not stop easily. Their endurance is their greatest weapon. Eventually, the prey slows, and in that moment, the pack closes in. It is a harsh reality of nature. Survival is not gentle, but what makes wolves different is that this hunt is not for one individual. It is for the entire family. Every member eats, even the weakest, even the youngest. This is not just hunting. This is cooperation at its highest level. But wolves are not always in motion. Much of their life is spent in calm, quiet moments, resting under trees, walking together through the forest, playing, bonding, and nowhere is this bond more visible than in the way they raise their young. Wolf pups are born in dens, hidden places dug into the ground or sheltered among rocks. When they are born, they are blind and helpless, completely dependent on their mother. In these early weeks, the mother rarely leaves the den. The rest of the pack takes responsibility for bringing her food. This is how important the family is. As the pups grow, they begin to open their eyes. They start to explore the world around them. They play with each other, chasing, biting, tumbling on the ground. It may look like simple play, but it is training. Through play, they learn how to hunt. They learn how to communicate. They learn their place within the pack. Older wolves are patient with them. They guide them. They correct them. They protect them. Every member contributes to their survival. And as the pups grow stronger, they slowly become part of the hunting group, learning by watching, by following, and eventually by participating. Wolves are known for their loyalty. Once they are part of a pack, they remain connected to it. They depend on each other. If one wolf is injured, others may stay behind. If danger approaches, the pack faces it together. This level of cooperation is rare in the wild. But despite all their strength and intelligence, wolves face a growing threat. Their habitats are shrinking. Forests are being destroyed. Human expansion is pushing deeper into the wilderness. And with that, wolves are losing space, losing food, and sometimes losing their lives. For a long time, wolves have been misunderstood, seen as dangerous, aggressive, something to be feared. But in reality, wolves avoid humans whenever possible. They are not monsters. They are survivors, highly intelligent animals that have learned to live in some of the toughest environments on Earth. They maintain balance in nature by controlling prey populations. Without them, entire ecosystems can change. They are not just part of the wild. They are essential to it. So the next time you hear a wolf howl, don't think of fear. Think of a family calling out across the wilderness. A group of animals connected not just by survival, but by loyalty, trust, and unity. A sound that has echoed across forests and mountains for thousands of years. A reminder that nature is not just about strength, but about working together. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next? I'll see you in the next story.